Hi everyone. Today I have come up with a new and interesting topic. This is about top 30 accidental discoveries. These discoveries happened by chance but have revolutionized the world thereafter. First one among these discoveries is that of penicillin. These are the penicillin tablets and this is the compound penicillin. Penicillin was the first ever antibiotic which was discovered, and this penicillin is used to treat bacterial infections like strep throat, ear infections, and urinary tract infections. These are also called as UTI in short. Penicillin was discovered by a Scottish physician. He was a microbiologist as well. His name was Dr. Alexander Fleming. He discovered this penicillin in the year 1928. This is the scientist Alexander Fleming who discovered this penicillin in the year 1928. Now, how he came across this discovery? Fleming came across the antibiotic entirely by chance when he left out cultures of Staphylococcus aureus in a petri dish in his lab for 2 weeks. And when he returned back, he found that their growth was prevented by a mold called Penicillium notatum. So, although he didn't intend to put this Staphylococcus aureus in petri dish in his lab, but he accidentally put it in that lab, and for after 2 weeks, what he observed that a mold, which was that of Penicillium notatum, it prevented the growth of this Staphylococcus aureus. Fleming has also discovered the enzyme lysozyme from his nasal discharge in the year 1922. Fleming was awarded Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in the year 1945, along with two other scientists, Florian and Chain. Now, the second discovery in our list is that of saccharin. Saccharin is the first ever artificial sweetener. Its structure is like this, and this saccharin is used as a sweetener in low-calorie processed foods such as fruit juices, candies, jams, jellies, and cookies. Saccharin was first discovered by Konstantin Fallberg. He was a Russian chemist. He discovered saccharin in the year 1878. This is the picture of the scientist Konstantin Fallberg. He was born in the year 1850 and died in the year 1910. How he discovered this artificial sweetener saccharin. Fallberg was working in the lab of his mentor Ira Ramson, and one evening while he was eating, he noticed an unexpected sweet taste of cane sugar that one of the mixtures that he tested on that day had left behind. And after some experimentation, Fallberg concluded that the sugariness which was on his hand was because of the reaction of orthosulfobenzoic acid with phosphorus pentachloride and ammonia to create benzoic sulfamide, or which is also called as the saccharin. So this discovery was also an accidental one, although he didn't intended it, but it happened by chance. Now, the third in our list is the discovery of microwave oven. Microwave oven was discovered by Percy LeBaron Spencer. He was an American physicist. He discovered microwave oven in the year 1945. Now this microwave oven can be used to reheat and cook food. It is used to disinfect kitchen items, make stress fruit juices. It is used to heat beauty products. It is used to roast garlic, and it is also used in decrystallizing honey. Besides that, it is also used in the synthesis of nanoparticles. Now, this is the scientist Percy Spencer. He was born in the year 1894 and died in the year 1970. This discovery was also an accidental one. Spencer, while working on magnetrons, which are high powered vacuum tubes that can generate short radio waves, which are also called as microwaves, when he accidentally discovered microwave cooking. Now, the engineer was doing his regular job as usual when he noticed that the candy bar in his pocket had melted. Quickly, Spencer realized that it was the magnetrons that were causing this phenomena. Uh, the first ever this microwave oven was produced in 1954 by Raytheon Corporation. This was the company where Spencer was working. So this produced the first ever microwave oven. Next in our list, the fourth in our list is the discovery of vulcanized rubber. Now every one of us know that rubber is used in tires, footwear, and other things. Now the rubber which is used in tires and footwear is mainly this vulcanized rubber. It was discovered by Charles Goodyear. He was a self-taught chemist and he discovered this vulcanized rubber in the year 1839. This is the scientist Charles Goodyear, was a self-taught chemist and he was born in the year 1800 and he died in the year 1860. Now this discovery was also an accidental one. Goodyear was trying to create a weatherproof rubber for years. He was only successful in doing so when he accidentally dropped some regular rubber mixed with sulfur onto a hot stove and found that it still maintained its structure. Although he didn't intend it, he discovered this vulcanized rubber accidentally. He was intending to make weatherproof this rubber, but he discovered this vulcanized rubber in the process. So his discovery was also an accidental one. Now this Goodyear discovered the vulcanization phenomena at the Eagle India Rubber Company. Now, the next one in this list of 30 accidental discoveries is smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are the fifth ones in this list, and these smoke detectors are being used in fire alarms at home and office spaces and other places as well. Now, these smoke detectors were discovered by Walter Jaeger. He was a Swiss physicist and he discovered these smoke detectors in late 1930s. The discovery of these smoke detectors is also an accidental one. Jaeger accidentally invented the first smoke detector. He was actually attempting to design a sensor that could identify poison gas. However, when Jaeger lit a cigarette, he discovered that his invention could detect smoke particles instead of this poison gas. And this led to the discovery of these smoke detectors. Now we will continue this list of these 30 accidental discoveries. And for now, thank you very much, and wait for my next video on this top 30 accidental discoveries.